In this video I'm going to show you how to create a big quartz geode, to be exact, smoky quartz. First order of business, we have to get a solid base, and this is going to be my base, pretty strong pallet. I'm just going to add 2 layers of plywood, and I'm going to bolt it down to the pallet itself, and then I'm going to place the geode on top of it, and then the bracing will continue. Okay, now that we have our 2 layers of plywood on top of the pallet, we have to bolt it down to pallet itself. So I'm going to use a drill just to pre-drill the holes, because this wood is pretty dense. And then we're going to run a screw in there. Love this tool, by the way. So what I did there is I put it in the center, and I adjusted the bottom legs so that way my 2x3 can fit from side to side. So just in case there is any roughness on the road or any bumps, so I don't want my legs to go straight to the plywood. So just in case it keeps bouncing, it's gonna stay on top of this wood. Then I got my 2x3s right underneath the stand. The stand will rest mostly on the 2x3s. And I have this one going across the pallet, so that way I can bolt it directly to pallet itself, to the main support of the pallet, which is the sides, center, and the last piece right there. These things will be bolted directly down to the plywood, and the next step will be to build 2 side valves, so that way we can brace the geode from side to side and top down. Now that we have sidewalls, it's time to add 2x3 right here, 2x3 right here, square off the top, and then start adding bracings from left to right, and then finish up this way. Now that I got my 2x3s squared off, the crate is squared off, now I'm just gonna wrap the quartz in order to protect it, and I'm just gonna add bracings from left to right and back and forth. Now that it's been wrapped, it's time to start bracing. The fun begins. But I'm gonna time lapse it because, you know, who has time to sit around? Quartz has been braced from all sides. It won't move left or right, up and down. It's pretty much safe. Each item will be braced differently depending on its size and shape. All done. Solid and safe.